guys, it's me, Grace, back here with another video. We're going to be playing some Christmas duos. So leave a like, on this video, subscribe to my channel, support my channel, tap the little bell so you will never miss anything, and I wish you guys a Merry Christmas. So let's get this started. Okay, are you ready, Savage? Okay, let's go. Dude, ew. Come. Okay, dude, I'm in. So as you see, guys, the whole map is covered in snow. Yes, the whole map is covered in snow. This is gonna be so awesome for Christmas. So, Savage, where do you want to go? Paradise. More like non-paradise because it's covered in snow. So it's not a desert. It's not a desert. So it's a snow waste. It's a snow wasteland. Let's pretend. What? Just one person. He's landing on the big tower, which I was gonna be landing at. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to be lagging if I go over there. This happened in my last, guys, if you saw this happened in my last video. So, please, please have your servers on. Yeah. Oh, dude, I got dynamite. I'm gonna blow him up. Yo.
Brandon, they didn't even touch me.
Oh, come on.
Brandon.
Ow. Yes, I'm here.
I killed them both.
Oh. Sorry. Because I was about to blow up the whole tower. And my screen camera's out of whack. Hold on, let me put it back on.
Here.
You know. Sorry, I got a bolt also. And I need a chug jug.
I know. Well, I gave you minis.
Wait, minis? Ow. Ouch. Well, sorry, Savage. If I try to blow up the whole tower and burn it to the ground.
Yeah, the minis are right here.
Oh, and a pump, thanks.
Brandon, I killed both of them and I didn't even take any damage.
Lucky! I took damage from a freaking dynamite. Oh my god, I hate that stupid dynamite. Shh. Wish they never existed in Fortnite. Wish dynamite never existed in Fortnite. Jesus Christ. Oh, I got some more minis. Wait, I found a slurp. I'm fine. I found a slurp.
Me too. Did you find it?
I saw another guy here. Where is he?
Oh, I killed him.
Oh, okay. So non-paradise palms is ours now. Maybe someone might be coming over here. I'm super lucky. I found a med kit.
I found a med kit too. We're finding each other's stuff.
Yeah, this is pretty weird. I'm gonna waste this last piece of dynamite blowing up this house.
Actually, I found a stuff. I found a med kit.
Oh my god, I found another med kit.
Yeah, I did find a med kit.
Dude, we've been finding each other's stuff. What the hell? This is crazy.
I found a present.
You found a present? Savage, it's Christmas. It's a season of giving. I mean, I forgot to give you something, but if I give you a present, I'm gonna give... What is it?
Then you have a shotgun.
The new... You mean the pump shotgun?
Yeah, there's a blue pump here. Here, hold minis.
Hold on a minute. Okay, yeah.
You're holding med kit. Here, hold this med kit.
Okay, yeah. 3 med kits.
There's a med kit behind you.
Yeah, I know. Do you have sniper ammo? Hold on.
Yes, I do.
Okay, yeah. Wait, hold on. Give me that shit. I need that.
I'm lagging.
Yeah, me too, dude. This is crazy.
Oh, another big part. Okay, I'll hold big part.
Oh god.
Listen,
Oh my god. Dude. I mean, it's the season of giving, dude. Wait, if you find another present, give one to me, because it's the season of giving, dude. It's Christmas. It's a wonderful time to spend time with family and places there.
now let's talk on Fortnite.
What?
Let's talk on Fortnite, like, for
Oh, blue AR. That's good.
Guys, I'm gonna talk on Fortnite 27 days.
Wait, you already reached level 70? Was it level 60?
No, level 55.
Wait, dude, you can't quit Fortnite. I haven't even played on my Switch yet.
No, but I have to. I'm going to hang out with you.
Yeah. I'm on winter break, so lucky me. Ooh, sniper ammo, finally! And shotgun ammo. Wait, I hear a clock crusher. There's some enemies up ahead. Let's go. Wait, there's a person in the ATK. Savage kills him. Kill him. Dang it, dude! Damn it! Damn it, my game was lagging again! Damn it, I hate this lag. Alright, okay guys, that was stupid. My game was freaking lagging! Again! My god! My god! No, it's all gold. Legendary weapon. Oh my god. Soul Steel Gold. No, do you have any friends? Do you have any friends that you can invite, Savage? We're gonna play Solid Gold. Do you have any friends you can invite? Okay, never mind. But anyway, we're gonna play one more game that I have to end this video right here. What? And guys, this is the last time I'm gonna be playing on PC. I have to quit Fortnite. But no. I'm playing on PC, so I have to move on to Switch. So this is the last I'm going to be playing Fortnite on PC. So I'll have to move on to Switch.
What are you gonna go on? Nintendo Switch?
Yeah.
Go on PS4.
I don't have a PS4. And besides, I'm not going to spend any of your bucks. Okay, guys. So we're back. Savage, are you ready? We better get this win. Let's go somewhere where we can grab a plane. We're going to Paradise Palms again, guys. But this time we're not gonna die. Last time my game was freaking lagging. What server are you on? What server are you on? What? It says auto. Auto. Ugh, I'll be on auto.
Which one are you on?
NA West.
Now make it to one.
Wait, but don't worry, I already made it auto, so I think my game will stop lagging now. Oh yeah, it stopped lagging. Okay, dude, I'm pretty fine now, pretty fine. I'm not gonna glitch ahead like in my first video.
Brandon, 4 people landed on this.
What?
Actually, 6.
There's 6 people.
Never mind. Make that 8. There's 2 over there.
Son of a. We'll have to. What are we gonna do? There's 8 people at our heads right here.
I just got a
A
scar.
scar? Lucky? What? After all, no. You know. Don't listen to the whisper I just said.
So we got it on you?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to oh no.
Whoa! I hit him for 81. I hit him from 81. He's weak. He's weak. Porta Fortress. Wait, dude, I'm right here.
Yeah, it's a port fortress, you know, because there's more people here.
Done again.
I hit him.
Damn it.
What the hell? I was giving you a big pop, you left me.
Oh, thanks, Savage. But this video has said something.
Let's see.
Okay, anyway. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm gonna have to end this video right here. Leave a like on this video. Tap the notification bell and subscribe to support this channel. And I may wish you all a Merry Christmas. Now be nice or else Santa will add you on the naughty list and you know what happens.